Okay, we are now studied the new point which are not studied earlier, that is optical isomerism, which is important point. This is very important point for the examination. Optical isomerism is shown by alkyl halides, where first understood that what is isomers. The isomers mean the compound which have same molecular formula but structure is different. That is, uh, the two compounds shows different physical properties, different chemical properties, but they are isomers of each other as they consist same molecular formula. Carbon number, hydrogen number are same, as well as oxygen also having same. As we are studied halogens, the number of halogens are also same, but the arrangement of uh, these compounds, that is the structure, is different. It is studied by the concept that is chirality. The chirality is an important factor in optical isomerism. As the compound consists the chirality, it gives the optical isomerism. For example, 2-chlorobutane. Simply, 2-chlorobutane have structure like this: CH3, CHCl, CH2, CH3. It is 2-chlorobutane, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. At carbon number 2 there is a chlorine, therefore it is named as 2-chlorobutane. Then what is chirality? The as the compound consists chiral carbon atom, as the compound contain a chiral carbon atom, it shows the chirality. What is chiral carbon? Chiral carbon atom is that carbon atom which bonded to 4 different atoms or group of atom, that is, we can say molecule. Okay, in 2-chlorobutane, the first carbon is not a chiral carbon because it consists 3 same hydrogen atom are attached to him. Again, the carbon number 4 is also not a chiral carbon atom. Again, the carbon number 3 has 2 hydrogen atoms, so it is not fitted in this definition because the carbon atom bonded to 4 different, that is 4 different atoms. Here carbon number 2 is a chiral carbon atom, as at one side it is attached to this carbon, one side is attached to hydrogen, another side it is attached to chlorine, and at one side, another side, it is attached to this carbon. This entire molecule, the carbon, okay, I will show you like this one. H, this is carbon number 2, Cl, there is CH3, and there is this group, that is, we can say like this one, C2H5, CH2, CH3 means C2H5. This is one this is 1, this is 1. Therefore, carbon number 2 is a symmetric carbon atom, that is, it consists the chiral center, that is the chiral carbon, which is attached to four different atoms or molecules. Okay, therefore it shows the optical isomerism. One thing is noted here. Okay, the carbon atom or molecule which carries four different groups or atoms are called as carbon atom. This is denoted by this asterisk, where I am showing you here. It is indicated or shown by asterisk. In 2-chlorobutane, there is only one chiral carbon, shows it is unique property. It is unique property, and when we studied the optical activity or optical isomerism of 2-chlorobutane, we are easily understood what is the isomerism. Okay, when mirror is kept in between the in front of this molecule, that is 2-chlorobutane, there is, I am rearranging the structure, CH3, C, Cl, C2H5 here, and then at one side, as it is a tetrahedral carbon atom. Okay, we are studied in 11th that is what is tetrahedral. If we put a mirror in between in front of this molecule, that is 2-chlorobutane, firstly you understood here, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, C2H5. Okay, like this we are arranging for our understanding. Okay, what happened? As this carbon consists four different atoms or group of atom, it is a chiral carbon. It is indicated by this asterisk. Okay, when we put a mirror in front of this molecule, we get the mirror image, that is CH3 as it is, carbon as it is. This chlorine is now, as it is mirror image, it is on this side. Okay, then there is a rotation, as their C2H5 group is on left side, in mirror image it is goes to right side. Okay, then the hydrogen also on right side. Therefore we are look here, these two images are mirror images of each other. These two images are mirror images of each other, but there is different structure. This structure is different, this structure is different. Okay, because of the presence of hydrogen on left side, the presence of hydrogen on right side, it clearly indicates that they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other when we put this structure exactly on this. Okay, I will show what happen if chlorine, C2H5, you can say here, there is hydrogen, there is a chlorine. Okay, another this structure, when I will draw here, it is CH3, C2H5, as we are considering here, CH3 fit on this. Okay, if this structure put exactly on this structure, what happen? Carbon fit on this. Okay, but the only problem is that what happen? Hydrogen came here, C2H5 overlap here, and chlorine came here. Therefore, they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. We can say the simple structure of our hand, right and left hand are mirror images of each other. Exactly, they are not overlap with each other. We are uh, not kept right hand on left hand as it is, like this one. Okay, this is, they are non superimposable mirror images of each other. Look here, there is thumb, there is an index finger. Okay, as they are mirror images of each other. Okay, like this one. That is, we also, our hand shows a chirality center. Okay, from this we are understood the handiness or chirality, the stereoisomerism, in which the isomers are different special arrangement of groups and atoms. We can say here the chiral atoms are called as the compound which have four different atoms or groups attached to it. It is uh, denoted by asterisk, that is this one. Okay, and the chiral compound are showing optical isomerism, as they are non superimposable mirror images of each other. The optical activity, the are given by the compounds which consist the chiral carbon. For optical activity, we must understood the plane polarized light. Okay, in next lecture.